Hello everyone. In today's video, I am going to show you what actually the difference between the text file versus whole text file API which is available into the Spark context. So the same I am going to explain you by example. So in this example, I am going to read one text file which is present at HDFS. And in my case, as you can see, this is the HDFS which is running at the local host, and the port of this name node is 9000. So let me give the command for that. HDFS colon localhost 9000 slash, and we need to give the location. So this is the location. Here you can directly give the file name, or you can give the directory name itself. There is no issue in this one. So I'm giving the directory name itself. Hit enter, and you can see one RDD is getting created by making use of this text file, and it is having only one column, that is of the string types. So RDD is having the string type value, and which is getting loaded from this particular location. Now if you wish, you can just check it out what actually the number of the partitions it has. You can hit directly like this one. So it has created the totally 5 partitions. Now we are going to list the content of this. So for each inside that println, and you can see here to cross verify invalid text1, text2, text3 and text4. There are totally 5 files, and we have the totally 5 outputs. In each and every file we have the single line as the output. Now we will see what actually the difference in the whole text files method. Same example. Now I am going to modify it. And I will give this name as the RDD2. And here also I am reading the same file from the same location. Now you can see the RDD is getting created, but it is of the tuple type. And here instead of single string like earlier we were seeing, here we have the 2 different strings available over here. Okay. If you wish, you can just check the number of the partitions for this one, and you can see here also the number of the partition is 5 only. Now we will see the content of this RDD2. Sorry for this one. For this we need to check with the RDD2. Here the partition is 2 only, not the 5. Now RDD2 dot for each we need to execute to see the content over here. Here you can see the differences. In case of text files, whenever we are reading any of the data, it is simply giving the content. Okay. But in case of the whole text files, after reading the data, the first it is going to list the location from where it has read the file, the location with the file name, okay, and then the content of that file. So this is the basic difference between the text file and whole text files API, which is available into the Scala shell.